Hold on. Okay, you're on air.
Good evening, everyone. It's Thanksgiving, and my brother, Bob, and me are here to talk to you about tryptophan. Tryptophan. It's a body, but it's a baba. Speak English, nobody understands you. And it's in Turkey. We have lots of turkey, but I'm a vegetarian, so I didn't have any. What? Anyway, we came here to tell you tonight
Lamey, sit up straight.
that we don't want any more turkeys to die. We only want you to eat clover. Clover's good for you. It has greens in it. Greens are good for everyone. Bah! What are you doing? It's a boy, Oh, my brother is worried that if you start eating clover, there won't be enough for him because he's got quite a physique.
I like your knee bending there, Ba.
Anyway, happy Thanksgiving.
Are you done?
For the moment,
Are you going to dance?
I was going to, but I think
Okay.
I have to go refresh myself.